Forecasts on weather maps indicate the presence of a new wave of heavy rain in the United Kingdom and chances of snowfall in the northern regions, with a drop in temperatures and a shift to an active northwesterly trend with a speed of 30 to 40 km per hour. This wave begins on the evening of Friday, the 16th, November 2024 and will remain for a week with interruptions and stops in some areas and then resume again with wind activity concentrated in the northern coastal areas. This is what was stated in the coordinates of the aerial maps. We will provide you with the rest of the details. Do not forget to subscribe, stay safe and see you.